Coron! This is our day 2 and we are on our way to our boat. This is our second day tour here, the Tour B. Wala nga akong 0.5! Masyado mo ako pinapahiya sa viewers ko. Ayan. Yung gusto mo sana mapag-peace of mind ka, kaso mapapaisip ka kung si Jack and Rose pa yung nasa harapan mo. Ayan. Anyways, on our first stop today, which is etong island na to, nasa harapan namin. Ayan. So right now, we are on our way to Twin Lagoon. Actually, ito ni Twin Lagoon Island. Tapos may pupuntahan pa kami para makapunta doon sa isang lagoon. Ay, ayaw po bibilis na. Ang ganda oh. Sorry, meron kaming walking stereo dito. We are about to enter the tunnel kung saan papunta doon sa isa pang lagoon. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh my God, thank you Lord, oh my gosh. Eh kung yun naman po pala talaga makakasabay namin, why not, diba?
One.
This is just the first destination na. Grabe pagod ko ba? Masasabi ko lang, pagod na ako. Dami pa. Never pupuntahan. We are now here in Skeleton Beach. Skeleton Wreck. There, dun sa area na yon. Please move, yes. Nandun daw yung Skeleton Wreck. So it's 3 to 4 meters. Makikita nyo yung pinaka front part ng wreck. And it's allowed to do fish feeding there, but only there. But when you roam the island, you cannot do fish feeding there. So yun. Siguro magsa-snorkeling lang ako, but then ayan, may mabibigyan ng isda. Ayan, may isda! Oh,
Wow, ang ganda ng isda!
Ay, nag-away sila!
Ayan o, nag-away.
Yun yung malaking isda! Oh, di ba?
Ay, anong isda yan?
Ay, ang galing!
Hala, ang ganda nila!
Here's our food for today. Ayan, sumptuous meal for this afternoon. Ang sarap. I'm sorry po. Ang sarap po. May crabs, may fish, may gulay, may kanin, may pancetine. Oh, so yummy. Ay, pinaano ko. Binibis ka naman ng dagat. Ano ako, thirsty. Anyways, mga nagre-recharge na ang aking friends. Para mamaya meron ulit sa tulog na nagre-recharge na kanilang social battery. Maganda yung mga corals kasi kulay violet, kulay pinkish, green, and yun, magaganda siya. Maraming fishes, evident ang biodiversity talaga. So now we're going to our last stop, which is the Barracuda Reef. So let's see you there! That concludes my day 2 or our day 2 tour here in Coron, Palawan. We went to the Barracuda Lake. And also, hindi siya reef. Lake pala siya, so I stand corrected. Ayan, paalis na kami. And thank you very much for watching. So, but then, of course, this is Coron. What happens in Coron stays in Coron. So, ayan, papunta kami ngayon sa
Bambar.
Bambar. So, that is an acoustic bar here. So, try lang namin doon. Then, pupunta daw kami dun sa diskuhan, which is Palm.
Palm Bar.
Palm Bar naman.
And 6 minutes away here.
Pero buhay na buhay ang mga ano dito, be. Ang aking kalupaan, ang aking puso at ang aking isipan. Punong-puno po sila ng apam. Mabuhay Philippines! Hey! 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 The Philippines are my love. I am the one. And that concludes our Quran trip for 2024. I hope you enjoy our stories, our videos. Yaman na nga, bukas na lang.